All right, everyone, welcome. This is the 28th March, Thursday, and let's take a look at gold here first. Now, looking at gold, we can see currently we are still pushing bullish on gold, right? This daily candle, the previous daily candle closed very strong bullish. It closed above this resistance area to the left hand side. So now there's a possibility that this new daily candle can continue to push up, and we can fill this wick around 2,223, around like 280 pips away. Now, wishful thinking, let's take a look on the 4 hour time frame. Looking at the 4 hour, we can see that there is some sort of a support being formed in the 4 hour. Let's put it like this, right? So we got a support formed. This 4 hour candle, now we're at this sort of like a resistance area to 2195. And if we do break above, we have a clean range till 2207, 120 pips away. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see that there is again some sort of there's a resistance right here around 2198, and currently candles are trying to push up. I mean, how much is it? This is like 31 pips away, 2198. Let's take a look to the left hand side. Looking to the left hand side above 2198 or even 2200, you have clean range till 2208, 82 pips away. So I would say maybe we may have to wait for price to break above right here. I think this is going to be a much better idea for price to continue to push up above 2200 and then continue on till 2208. So that's we could look into mate right here, right? So we can extend it all the way to the right hand side. There we go, and yeah, that's it. Just gonna wait for buys of 2200. Now, at the same time, if we're looking at a selling position, this is fairly easy and simple to see, which could be maybe the break below 2194 or 2193. Let's do this over here, copy, paste. Yeah, so, right? So below 2193 or even 2194, there's a clean range. We can continue to push down this 39 pip range till 2189. Now, let's take a little peek on the 15 minute. And yeah, I'd say that's going to be a better idea as well for price to break below 2193 right here and then continue on pushing down. So right now we're just in a sort of like a consolidation state between 2197 and 2193. So I would say maybe we need to break above 2190 or even 2200 to continue to push up, or break below 2193. So we'll have to wait and see. Let's take a look at pound yen. Looking at pound yen, let's do this. Let's start from the daily time frame and remove all analysis right here. This one as well. Now, daily is sort of like in a consolidation area, to be honest. The daily time frame. Right here, we're in a consolidation state. This is like, like 100 pip range. So we need to either break down to continue down or break up to continue pushing up. I'd say a much better trading idea would be about 191,740 for price to move up, because we have this clean range here to the left hand side. Let's take a look on the 4 hour time frame. Let's see. Now, the 4 hour is also in the consolidation area. You can see candles are printing side by side. Let's take a look on the 1 hour. Now, looking at the 1 hour, we can further, okay, let me just remove these periods. Okay, so looking on the 4 hour, we can further adjust these zones and maybe bring this up over here, or even let's measure this range. It's like a 20 pip range. It's a small range. It's not the kind of range that I would like to be a part of. So maybe let's adjust this here further on the 4 hour and see what more information we can find here, right? So obviously this is a support being created on the 4 hour, and then there's another support right over here. We're also creating some sort of resistance at this point. I want to remove this zone and replace it with, sort of like a smaller, thinner zone. Let's take a look on the 30 minute here now. Looking at the 30 minute, We do have this resistance on a 30-minute, which is 191,230. And if you do break above this area, you have a clean range till 191,480. So notice how we created clean ranges here now, right? We did our analysis and now we have a support, resistance. Now, the other thing I want to measure is 191 here. This is like a 20 pip range, right? So even in this small range, if we break above, this is 10 pips, not even worth it, right? So I'd say probably we'll have to wait for price to kind of like, break above 191, 233. So you have this 24 pip range of price to move up, or break below 191 even to move down 18 pips, but volume can play a big role. So basically, we're just in this small range, and I would want to see price to either break above or break below. And then we'll see where we go from there. So I guess it's going to be a waiting game now. Maybe there's going to be a live stream later, maybe. But if not, then definitely tomorrow we'll try to do something. So anyway, till then, guys, take care and be safe.